Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to navigate through your TIMEX NeuroFit Waveband 2. To wake your device, you can press on either button, this one or the one on the right side. These are the only buttons. It doesn't have a touch screen, so it's all operated with these two buttons. When you press on the TIMEX button, it'll just show you the serial number and stuff like that, so that's not really useful. Let's press on it again to go to the home screen, to the watch face, and then when you click on the side button, you'll get to cognitive tests. You can click on it again to go to body, or go back to the main page. Let's go to cognitive tests. Once I have them on the screen, I need to click on the TIMEX button to enter. Then there will be the readiness test, the agility test, the focus test, and the PVT test. They're all shown in your in other videos, so feel free to check them out. Now when I press on it again, it'll show me this screen where I can go back to the main menu. Then let's go to body, and now when I click on TIMEX, I can find the heart rate, the today's calories, the today's steps, and then it goes back to heart rate. Whenever I press on the TIMEX button, I can leave, then click on the right button to go to the main page. And that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.